Hello everybody, welcome to our Weekend Meals channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how I make honey walnut prawns. So let's get started. We're going to start out by seasoning the shrimp. Add chicken seasoning. Add white pepper powder. Give this a little toss. We're going to set this aside. Next, we're going to caramelize some sugar to make candy walnuts. First, add in water, add in sugar, once you see the sugar browned up, turn off the heat. We're gonna add walnuts. Making sure that the walnuts glaze and the caramelized sugars. Now I'm going to transfer the walnut candy onto a baking tray. Try to separate the nuts that they don't stay together. Give a little space in between. Look at this beautiful caramelized walnut candy. We're going to leave this like this to cool down. To make our mayonnaise sauce to glaze the shrimp, here I have mayonnaise, condensed milk, honey, lemon juice. Let's put all the ingredients together. Add the condensed milk into the mayonnaise. Add honey. Add lemon juice. Let's give this a mix. And this is our mayonnaise sauce to glaze the shrimp. Now we're ready to fry the shrimp. Add in all-purpose flour. Add in cornstarch. Give this a mix. Now we're ready to fry the shrimp. Here comes the shrimp. When the shrimp is 80% cooked, we're going to remove the shrimp from the oil. We're going to let the shrimp rest for 2 minutes. Then we're going to double fry the shrimp to help the shrimp stay crispy and to remove any excess oil. Here comes the shrimp back into the oil. The shrimp are ready. Let's remove it from the oil. I'm going to leave the shrimp on the rack to let it cool down a little bit. It is time to toss our shrimp in the mayonnaise sauce. Put our shrimp in a big bowl. Pour in our mayonnaise sauce. Toss this up. Add in the walnut candy. And our honey walnut shrimp is ready to be enjoyed. For presentation, just add a little bit of chopped green onion. Honey walnut prawns. Please enjoy. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.